Discover the rhythm of innovation with the best electronic drum set, revolutionizing the way you experience percussion. Whether you're a seasoned drummer or a novice exploring the beats, these sets offer an unparalleled range of sounds, from authentic acoustic tones to modern electronic beats. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electronic drum sets you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which musical instruments related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Unleash your rhythmic passion with the Donner DED200 Max electronic drum set, an immersive percussion experience that transcends boundaries. Elevate your beats with the revolutionary 2-ply mesh drum heads, offering a tactile, responsive feel and enduring durability. The DED200 Max doesn't just simulate, it replicates the authenticity of real drum shells and metal hoops, providing a visual and tactile feast for drummers seeking the genuine touch. Upgrading from its predecessor, the DED200 Max boasts a larger canvas of expression, featuring a 12-inch crash, 12-inch ride, and 10-inch snare and toms. Immerse yourself in a symphony of 450 sounds and 31 drum kits meticulously sampled from real drums, ensuring a diverse sonic palette for every performance. The kit goes beyond by offering 50 play-along songs, a sequencer, a metronome, auxiliary input, and a recording function. Designed for drummers seeking perfection, the DED200 Max comes complete with a foldable iron metal stand, stable 4-post aluminum rack, hi-hat control, bass drum pedal, headphones, drum throne, audio cable, and drumsticks. Priced at $599. Experience the rhythm of your soul with the Roland TD07DM key, crowned as the 4th best electronic drum set. This drumming marvel combines the superior expression of high-end V-drums with a wallet-friendly price, making it a dream for home drummers. Since 1997, Roland V-drums have reigned supreme in the electronic drum world, and the TD07DMK continues this legacy. Its legendary ultra-quiet, double-ply mesh heads provide an unparalleled feel, ensuring a near-silent playing experience that won't disturb your surroundings. But the TD07DMK is not just about mimicking acoustic drums, it's a gateway to creativity. Dive into a realm of possibilities with deep editing tools, onboard Bluetooth for jamming along, USB connectivity for recording, and more. However, remember to grab a kick pedal, drum throne, and drumsticks separately. Priced at $799, the TD07DMK is your ticket to a symphony of emotions and musical exploration. Immerse yourself in the rhythmic world of percussion with the Alesis Drum Surge Mesh SE Kit, crowned as the 3rd best electronic drum set. The drum set invites you to express yourself through its features, boasting a 10-inch dual-zone mesh snare, 3 8-inch dual-zone mesh toms, an 8-inch mesh kick drum, 10-inch hi-hat, and a 10-inch crash and ride with choke, all anchored by a sturdy adjustable drum rack. The Surge Special Edition electronic drum module takes you on a sonic journey with 385 drum sounds and 40 kits, complemented by 60 play-along music tracks and a metronome to refine your timing. Connect the kit to your PC or Mac via USB to unlock additional drum kits through the included BFD player software. This drum kit not only provides premium sounds, but also offers a platform for creativity, featuring an inbuilt sequencer, CD megapixels, 3 aux input, and USB MIDI connections. The package includes a foldable 4-post drum rack, cable snake, drumsticks, drum key, kick pedal, hi-hat control pedal, and power supply. Priced at $599, this all-in-one marvel ensures a seamless and natural playing experience with its quiet drum heads. Experience the rhythm of your soul with the Asmuse electronic drum set, crowned as the #2 best electronic drum set. Unleash your musical prowess in just 7 steps with its quick assembly, saving you precious time for what truly matters, the beat. Dive into the symphony of simplicity with easy module monitoring, boasting 12 drum sound kits and 242 sounds that transform your space into a sonic wonderland. The 8-inch special mesh snare drum with rim shot function provides a real percussionist's touch, elevating your performance to new heights. Fuel your creative fire with AUX input and USB MIDI output, enabling you to craft your beats and melodies. Immerse yourself in self-practice mode, courtesy of the free headphone set, allowing for dedicated home sessions without disturbing the harmony of others. Elevate your musical journey for just $289. Dive into the heartbeat of rhythm with the Alesis Turbo Mesh Kit, an electronic drum set that transcends boundaries. This drumming marvel unleashes a symphony of emotions as it merges cutting-edge technology with a soul-stirring playing experience. The mesh drum heads, pulsating with life, deliver a realism that envelops drummers in an immersive embrace, demanding nothing less than perfection. Crafted as the numero uno electronic drum set, it boasts a premium 7-piece ensemble featuring an 8-inch mesh snare drum, 3 8-inch mesh toms, and a triumvirate of 10-inch cymbals. The Turbo Drum module is a sonic powerhouse, offering 10 classic and modern kits, 30 play-along tracks, and over 100 expertly curated sounds. But this isn't just a kit, it's a mentor with 30 built-in play-along tracks, a metronome, aux input, and a drum coach nurturing the evolution of drumming prowess. Priced at $299. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.